How to connect EA account to Twitch. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can connect your EA account to your Twitch account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to connect your EA account to Twitch, it's basically very simple to do so, because all you have to do is simply open up your browser, and in the web browser you simply need to go to ea.com/Twitch linking. Again, I repeat, ea.com/Twitch linking. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. And when you come to this website, if you're not already logged into Twitch, first of all, it's going to ask you to log into your Twitch account. Then it will ask you to confirm whether or not this is the EA account that you want to link. After you've done this process, all you have to do is make sure to check the correct EA account that you want to link to your Twitch account. Then click the continue option. It will say that it's going to send a verification code to this email, so make sure to click the send code option. I've already sent it in my case, and now what you want to do is you have to go to your email, log into your account, and then you'll most likely receive the security code from EA. You want to make sure to copy the code, paste it over here on the next page, and then after that your Twitch account and EA account will get successfully connected. That way you'll be able to connect EA account to Twitch. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.